Sonic's name speeds the game. I'm Tommy Oliver.
Beep, beep, beep.
My name is Bumblebee. I'm Optimus Prime. Hello, hello, hello. What's that? Hollywood. Hey guys, this is Bumblemus Prime, and today I'm going to review on the Transformers War for Cybertron Siege, I think like 2009 or, 9, review Sideswipe. So let's look at the package. I got it at Book Off from the mall. There's Sideswipe. There's his blast. Sideswipe. Check out the thingy. And that. And here we have Sideswipe. Let's get a closer look. Sorry, I'm using the coffee table. Okay. Here we have. I gave him a blaster from COG. Check out his shoulder cannon to look like from Netflix. Looks pretty cool. And now let's get into this awesome looking Cybertronian Lamborghini mode. And here we have Sideswipe in his awesome looking Cybertronian Lamborghini mode. So he looks super cool with the windshields and the trunk. Looks that. And you can store weapons here, here, and here. And there we have it. And that's my review on Transformers War for Cybertron Siege 2009 Toy Sideswipe. So, and don't forget, tomorrow is the release of Transformers Kingdom on Netflix. So remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys later. Autobots, transform and roll out!